Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because I love doing these videos on a regular basis, documenting my journey with investing, be it through cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It is awesome, and we are only just getting started, all right? So come along. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Please jump on all the websites I've recommended in all my videos. They will give you a lot of confidence before jumping into any kind of investment, especially with cryptos. You need to be careful with that stuff. Me, my golden rule is only invest what I can afford to lose. Yes, we don't like to lose, but you can lose money in investments like that. So please be careful. Do your own research. Don't take what I say as financial advice. All right, guys. Now the formalities are out of the way. Today is a dividend stock portfolio update because I think it's important to give you updates on my other investments other than cryptocurrencies. And I think it's important to diversify regardless of whether you're a crypto investor, stock investor, real estate investor. Everyone should be diversified because if something goes down or something happens, at least you have another investment you can rely on. One of those obviously is dividend stocks for me because it's one of my favorite investments. I love it. It provides me passive income consistently. I'm going to show you my portfolio now because it has obviously slightly increased, but it is down at the moment. I use Stake here in Australia. This is my brokerage. It is not available overseas, or it is in a couple of other countries. But if you're new to stocks in Australia, there is a referral link below. If you use that, you can get stock in GoPro, Dropbox, or Nike. And I've got a lot of stocks in GoPro, so thank you very much for that. And I do have one in Nike as well, guys. But anyway, this is my portfolio. Yes, it's in US dollars. So we've got a portfolio value of $31,749.04 today. It is down 0.238%, obviously, as of Friday. $772, and I'm not worried about it because, again, I'm a long-term dividend investor. I will never sell my holdings. I have no reason to sell them because they provide me passive income and they will continue to grow for many, many generations to come. This is what the rich don't want you to know. They never sell their investments unless it's literally going to crash and it just burns to the ground. But they would have no reason to sell them because it provides passive income. I'm still up 29% on my total investment, guys. $7,283.37 USD. Now that is significant because, as I said, the last announcement in 2020 when we had the Roni Rona, whatever it was called, in 2020 in March, the market absolutely crashed. And I still dollar cost averaged into all my investments every single week. I didn't listen to any of the news and I saw some incredible returns. That is how I was able to make returns of 29%, which is literally unheard of in any bank account or bank that you store your money or just leave it there. You'll be lucky to get 0.5% or 1% on your money a year. So see, this is incredible. Anyway, again, I'm mainly a dividend stock investor and everything is in the red because of the announcement that we had today in relation to the situation going on around the world. I won't name it because we'll probably get in trouble here. But anyway, this is the reason why, and I'm not concerned at all. Obviously, I've got my biggest dividend holdings like ExxonMobil. This suffered a significant drop in 2020 because everybody was locked at home. They couldn't go anywhere, so the need for fuel was not there. So the entire market literally went negative. A barrel of oil went to negative. So they couldn't give it away basically because there was nobody needing it. Everyone was at home. So then the stock price just plummeted. And I took advantage of that. And if you go to the all-time year, guys, it's still up 52% in the last year. That is insane. But anyway, I'm holding $6,040 worth of ExxonMobil. I was going to say XRP. That's hilarious. Dividend yield is at 5.55%, which is incredibly good. It's in my range of between 2 to 5 max, which is awesome. I've got 98 shares of ExxonMobil and the average price is $48. So again, it's sitting at $61. I've had a total return of 26%, guys, $1,261. I like this because it is a long dividend, paying institution. It's like a dividend king. It's been paying for literally 20 years, guys. So I think it's going to keep going a lot longer than that. My other one here is obviously SPHD. This one here, guys, is an ETF, so S&P 500 high dividend yield ETF. So again, when you're buying this, you're basically buying a basket of stocks Top 500 companies, SPHD picks out the top 50 in those 500 and it puts it in this basket. So you basically, it just constantly swaps them out whenever their dividend yields aren't to their expectations. It just constantly refreshes that. But guys, it's really good for diversification and it's just really quite simple. But it has a dividend yield of 3.35%. And again, it pays monthly dividends. I should have mentioned ExxonMobil pays quarterly. SPHD pays every single month at the end of the month. So you can look forward to receiving passive income every month. Regardless of what happens, it pays you a dividend. And they have slightly increased it as well. And I'm going to show you my dividend tracking app. I've got 93 shares of SPHD sitting on $4,000 of equity, and I've made a total return of 10%, which is about standard for any index fund anyway. My average price is $38 and 3.35% dividend yield is where it's at the moment. The other one here, guys, is obviously what I like about index funds is a VYM is another one as well. Where are you guys? Whoop. Let's keep scrolling down here. VYM is a Vanguard index fund. It is a high dividend yield ETF. And I like Vanguard because they are, a huge firm. They control literally half the planet. And you can't really go wrong with Vanguard. I mean, if you've got a couple of index funds, VOO and VYM and VTI, each one offers something very different and the returns can be slightly different as well. This VYM is a higher dividend yield, guys, 2.68%, so it is in the good range. This pays out every quarter. And again, it invests in the top 500 companies in the S&P 500. And the price is $108.22. I'm sitting on $1,995 of equity. And I hold 18 shares of that, guys. My average order is $94, and I just dollar cost average into this one as well. Total return, 14.65%, guys. Can't complain about that. That's pretty good as well. That's pretty much it. Now, if I go to my buying, what have we got here? If I go to my buying power here, you'll see the transactions, and I can filter this to dividends if it wants to work. Here we go. Nice. Okay. This is what I'm saying about dividends. Now, if I go to November, because I haven't done a video for a while, because I've been sort of caught up on the crypto stuff, because that's been going parabolic. Okay, so you can see here the passive income this generates for me, regardless of what's happening in the market. I don't focus on the price of any stock because I'm just focusing on the dividends. So if the price goes down, I still get paid a dividend. If the price goes up, I still get paid a dividend. I still get paid regardless of what happens out there. So that's why I love dividend investing. All right, so we got dividends being paid out. 75 cents from Gain, 9 cents from Land, LTC Properties paid me 5 cents, OSXQ paid me 22 cents, PGX paid me 6 cents, SPHD paid me $10.94. I receive that every single month. Let's have a look here. AT&T paid me $18. CVS paid me 8 cents, VCLT dividend 34 cents, TLT 2 cents, JP Morgan, all the stuff in the cryptos, I own a share in that company, they pay me 11 cents, Sand pays me 12 cents, AGNC paid me $1.54, American Express 16 cents, EPR paid me 4 cents, Hormel Foods, forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, 5 cents, guys. Main Street Capital paid me $1.15. You can see all the dividends that I get paid there on the screen, guys. It's incredible. Stag $3.60. And this is a big one, guys. EPD was Enterprise Products Partners. Paid me $21 for that quarter. That is awesome. And obviously, Realty, $7.58 is a realty, like a real estate company. So you're buying, it's a REIT. Obviously, you've got all these, dividends paying it right here. So this consistently, I literally get paid every day. And yes, it's cents, but it adds up to dollars. And you take that money and you reinvest it back in the portfolio. That's pretty much it for this. I'm going to show you my dividend tracking app now because this has gone up slightly. $1,553 AUD, this is Australian dollars, is what I get paid so far annually. I'm earning now on average $129 a month in passive income. Who doesn't love that? My goal is literally to see this at like $500 to $600, if not to $1,000 a month in passive income. I'll get there eventually, but it's quite hard with US dollars. Daily, $4.26 a day, which is awesome. I can afford an espresso here in Australia. The yield is 4.46%, which is great. Here are my top dividend payers, guys. ExxonMobil pays me $487 Australian a year. SPHD, $204. O Realty pays me $133. By the way, ExxonMobil is quarterly. SPHD is monthly. O Realty is monthly. EPD is quarterly. They pay me $122 every quarter.
Prospect Capital, $105. That is split up every month as well. AT&T is every quarter, $104. VYM, $77 a year. That pays every quarter. Stag is a monthly as well, $60. That's an industrial REIT, by the way, so like warehousing and stuff. AGNC pays me $25. Main Street Capital, again, is a monthly. AGNC and Main Street are monthly, sorry. Philip Morris pays me $20. Coca-Cola, $19 every quarter. Kimberly Clark, $16, and so on and so on. I could keep going, look at them all. Anyway, so that's all cash flow. That's the beauty of dividend investing, guys. And I've got a goal of $20,000 a year, and I've hit 8% of that because I've been so focused on cryptos, sorry. So I haven't been able to invest that much because I've been putting it all into cryptos because it's going crazy at the moment. But again, I don't stop this. I just put, dollar cost average in $100, $200 a week, and that'll grow. Let's go to my portfolio in Australian dollars now. Wait for it to load. It's sitting at $44,473 Australian, which is awesome. Total return is 27%, $9,712. That is incredible. Here are all my companies here. I love doing this, going right down to the bottom. In 10 years, the portfolio is going to be worth $72,000. It will provide me $4,900 in dividend income a year. If we go 20 years, guys, this is what I love. $221,000, and it's going to provide me $25,000 in passive income a year. That is incredible, and that will continue to grow the more I invest and the more I reinvest the dividends. So that's the beauty about dividend investing. Again, monthly here, averaging, again, $126. You can see on the chart here, guys, my low months, October, January, April, and July. The rest of them are quite good. October, there you go again. November, $99. So you can see here, in September next year, I'm going to earn $200 for the month. June, $200. March, $200. December, basically $200 there as well. So next month for me is going to be a big dividend month. But it just grows. It's a machine. It compounds. It just snowballs. That's why I love it, because it provides me cash flow. And eventually, it'd be nice to have this to supplement your life so you can support family, bills, cars, education, holidays, all this stuff. That's why the rich never sell their dividends. Stocks, they don't need to, because it provides them cash flow. And they'll end up going into a family trust of some sort and end up, being there forever. That's probably my intention as well. But anyway, that's pretty much it for my dividend stock portfolio. Again, there is a referral link below to stake if you're interested in starting out in stocks. Any questions, leave them in the comments below. I love talking with everyone. And I think dividend stock investing is a great way to earn some passive income for yourself. I love it. I've been doing it for years now. Built up nearly a $50,000 portfolio. And I hope to add more to it, guys. I hope to build it up to at least $200,000 very soon. All right, so let's talk about it in the comments. Stay safe, guys. Happy investing. Peace. Bye.